Good morning, everybody. It's good to see you. How are you? How do you feel today? Today, we will continue similar to yesterday to talk about the drugstore. Drugstore. If you go to a drugstore like CVS, Rite Aid, Walgreens, what can you buy? In the drugstore is a pharmacy. And some common things we buy are toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, soap. These are toiletries. Toiletries. Yesterday we learned some new words like soap, shampoo, toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and deodorant. So today we will learn some new words. Please repeat. Razors. Razors. How many razors are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 razors. Tissue. Tissue. Paper towels. Paper towels. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Light bulbs. Light bulbs. Batteries. Batteries. Okay. Now I will say and you point. See if you remember. Paper towels. Where are the paper towels? Here they are. Where is the tissue? Tissue. Tissue. Where are the light bulbs? Light bulbs. Here. Where are the batteries? Batteries. Here. Where are the razors? Razors. Here. And where is the toilet paper? Toilet paper. Here. One more time. Where is the tissue? Here. Where are the razors? Here. Where are the light bulbs? Here. Where are the paper towels? Here. Where are the batteries? Here. Where is the toilet paper? Here. Now I will ask you what it is. You say the name. What are these? Razors. Razors. What is this? Tissue. Tissue. What are these? Paper towels. Paper towels. What is this? Toilet paper. Toilet paper. What are these? Light bulbs. Light bulbs. What are these? Batteries. Batteries. Okay. Let's see how to spell. Okay, what are these? Razors. Please spell. R-A-Z-O-R-S. razors, and you can copy in your notebook. What is this? Tissue. Please spell Tissue. And that SS sounds like sh, tish, tissue. What are these? Paper towels. Please spell Paper and towels. Towels. Paper towels. What is this? Toilet paper. Please spell Toilet. That's toilet. And now paper. Paper. Toilet paper. What are these? Light bulbs. Light bulbs. Please spell Light. Light. And bulbs. Bulbs. Light bulbs. What are these? Batteries. Please spell Batteries. Good. Now, repeat. How much? How much? How much is the? How much is the? How much is the toilet paper? How much is the toilet paper? How much is the tissue? How much is the tissue? Okay, now answer. How much is the toilet paper? $8.99 or $8.99. How much is the tissue? $2.67 or $2.67. Good. Now, how much is? We use is if there's only one. If there's two or more, we'll change to are. How much are? How much are? Repeat. How much are the? How much are the light bulbs? How much are the razors? How much are the paper towels? Here we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls of paper towels. How much are the paper towels? How much are the batteries? Now answer. How much are the light bulbs? $12.32 or $12.32. How much are the razors? $11.78 or $11.78. How much are the paper towels? $9.65 or 9.65. How much are the batteries? $15.99 or 15.99. Good. Okay. Good job. Now you can practice the vocabulary. Thank you. Have a great day.